Oh. I had one nice one that I popped up and held it for. Hey, he was up there for a minute on that one. Alright, what's up guys? It's Stickers back with another video. Right now we were with our buddy Emil and a few other friends, some new guys we met, Dylan. We are on our way to the Ride Society event. This is their second one, I think, second or third one. The last time we were on their event was when we had the helicopter chase stuff. So if you missed that video, make sure to go check out that video. It was wild having a not chase us, but we had a helicopter escort that followed us the whole way, which was pretty crazy. That was solid, Emil. Alright. Yeah! Alright, let's see what this Ride Society event looks like. They did move lots from what I was told. Oh, I do see them over there. Alright, looks like there's a decent turnout. Hey, that one was solid! You were up there. I was like, oh, then he started to go right, and I was like, oh, he's going right. You were leaning off that thing trying to counter steer it. Made me a little nervous though. Yeah, because you were like, you're gonna start popping some wheelies for the camera car now, or what? Oh, you know, he's gonna be doing it. Anybody that can will be. A lot smaller than the last one, which I'm liking so far. I hate when they're super big. Alright, let's walk around and see what's here. Yeah, that's crazy. Stretch Gixxer. It's a cool color. Got a good amount of carbon. That thing, I don't know. Nothing too crazy here. Just a small little fun ride. Hopefully it doesn't get too chaotic. We got our boy right here. Ooh, C6. The Z06 base model. Ooh, what was that? Full carbon R1. Old gen R1, but full carbon. Real carbon too, not some fake carbon janky shit. Carbon's a little beat up, but it's clean. And it's crazy he went with a side exit like that, because I'm pretty sure these R1s have the double undertail right there. Wonder if it got too hot. He was like, that, got rid of it. Cool. Alright guys, I'm gonna pause you with Ducati. Pause you guys here, wait for everybody to be ready, and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys in a second. We're back to vlogging. That wasn't as hectic. We did lose most of the group. If you look back, oh, some of them caught up, but we still are missing a good chunk of them. But yeah, no, we lost most of the group. Looks like he got some cool photos. Normally I don't try to get too many of them. If I wanted to really get some nice rollers, I would do it. Book something with one of my buddies or friends. Just gets a little hectic trying to get photos when everybody's trying to fight for that photo spot. So I normally just let everybody else get their photos. But yeah, no, it's actually a chill ride. That was kind of short. I know after this they do another ride where they go down to Belmont, and I think they do like not a straight route. I think they go around, or I don't remember what exactly they do, but I feel like they do something. Because I think they just take a longer route so we can get a little bit more of a ride in, because that was short. I don't even know, 20 minutes maybe. What's the CBR with this bro is riding in? Man, he got the Travis Scott fragments. Shoes worth more than the car. I mean, shoes worth more than this whole bike. Got the Ducati. We lost them all. Whatever. So that was only the pre-meet ride to the main meet. This is the main meet. There is a beautiful green. I think it's an RS660 Aprilia. A dope green one. We might see it on the road. A couple other things. We do have the cops right there waiting for us, so we'll see how that goes. See if they're gonna harass us or not. Not sure. But we will see. Oh, they're taking off. Alright guys, so we'll see how this is going to be. It's dead. Oh wait, it turned on. You're good. All we're doing is holding up traffic. Yeah, let's stay inside the pack until we get out of like the city. Like bro, I'm not trying to roast your exhaust, but bro, what is that? Bro literally took off the part of the can. Like, just chop it off. Have it a straight pipe at that point. But hey, to each his own. That S1K older gen is clean. I like that one. I don't know. It has tasteful carbon mods. Whoa. Bro almost took himself out, giving me a thumbs up. Yeah, his Aprilia is clean. The color is dope. I don't know if it's aftermarket fairings or painted, but it's clean. Well, we got a battle of 600s right now. We got a little race going. Slow down. What is bro doing? Oh, okay. Come on, Jackson. Let's go. He's right there. Right there. It wasn't working because I left my wheelie I had one good one when you were next to me. That one was solid. Scared me a little bit. And then I kind of held it a little bit. I had one nice one that I popped up and held it for a good one. You saw it? I had one good one. God, PB looks insanely packed. What the is going on here? Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. There's a ton of people here. Are we filming? They got a ton of people here. There's a ton of regular bikes that are all meeting here. I don't know if they have a whole big group ride or something. We crashed their group ride or whatever, but there are a ton of just bicycles. And I think I might also be high. There's so much weed in the air right now. Yeah, that's ridiculous. Track day tomorrow? Canyon hitting it. First time actually going, well, depending on how much of a canyon, but it'll be the first time going to a canyon with this thing. Yeah. Your battery's dead if you have more. It triple blinked yellow, so it's at like 10%. They have bigger batteries too. So the newer one came out with bigger batteries. So when they brought the Ace Pro 2 out, they brought out the new battery. So you might want to buy a couple of those.
Does it fit the same?
Yeah, it's the exact same size. And it's bigger than any of the ones you can buy online, like from Amazon and stuff. Do they still have the C marks on them?
Yeah.
So you know how I did it, right? So I didn't get confused. I put the C up when it was charged, and I flipped it upside down when it was dead, and I put it in my fanny pack so I wouldn't get confused. You're clear. Cut it hard. Yeah. Yep. That is a wrap, I think, to this video. Wasn't too crazy. Wasn't too hectic. No police chase this time compared to last time, or helicopter chase. Police chase, helicopter chase. Same difference, but a lot of fun. Got a good day riding with the boys. Sounds like tomorrow we might hit our first little canyon. Not sure how crazy the canyon is. Yeah, back in, lady. You're not going to make it forward. Oh.
Hey, guys.
Yep, I'll see you. Yeah. What are you doing tomorrow? We might go hit the twisties if you're down. I'll text you. Yeah, I got you. Probably around like 10 o'clock tomorrow.
Okay.
It's a snack cat. They turn up his music right now when he got next to me. Bro, funny. Hey, he was up there for a minute on that one. Hey, that one you kept up. Yeah. Okay, I knew he was about to do it. I was waiting for him. But thank you guys for watching this video. It was cool, nothing too crazy, chill little ride. Got to see me practice a little bit of wheelies. Fun little ride. Like I said, tomorrow we will be hitting the twisties, which will be a lot of fun. First time taking the ape to some twisties. Not gonna go too crazy because we don't have our suit. Well, I'm not gonna go crazy in general. Never really had this bike in route too much, and I've never been on this road. Don't know it. The only road that I would really actually maybe push myself a little bit would be Angela's Crest. But other than that, thank you guys again for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit that thumbs up button like I've said a million times, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Deuces.